How are you doing, guys, today? I hope so you're keeping well, like always. It's beautiful sunny day as usual. Last few days was quite cloudy, and today I'm in Kuta next to this big statue next to Bali Galleria. And today's vlog I'm gonna drive slowly. I will promise I will drive slowly on the Sunset Road. This is the main biggest road in Bali, starting from Kuta, Bali Galleria to the Seminyak at the end of the Sunset Road, and then finish again in the Kuta, so will be the both ways. And we will see how is the situation over there, if it's really traffic or not, is busy or not, how is the businesses around. And if you are new on the channel, please consider to subscribe, because we are doing daily vlogs. So basically new videos every day at 7 PM Bali time. If you're already watching us for longer, thank you so much for watching. Like always, don't forget to like, share. If you don't mind, please share. That's gonna help us a lot to growing the channel to your friends, family, or maybe into some groups. And like always, something new tomorrow. So stay safe, take care, and see you tomorrow, guys. See ya. Forgot to mention, like always, nice music in the background, probably country or something like that. So relax, take a drink, coffee, beer, and enjoy. See ya.
We all live on time we borrow, time our children to us lend. Here today, but gone tomorrow, like a spark fly in the wind. We all look up to our fathers, all our lives if all is right, and we all need our mothers when the day is dark as night. And the drums of war are getting louder, a sound you never heard before. Gonna come to your town, gonna find your corner, and we'll soon be knocking on your door. Someone pulls an easy trigger, puts another to the ground in disbelief, staring at his fingers, through which his blood runs with his life. And the drums of war are getting louder, a sound you never heard before. Gonna come to your town, gonna find your corner, and we'll soon be knocking on your door. Are there right in front of us, for so long buried in the snow. Yes, here we are, shining diamonds, burning bridges as we go. And the drums of war are getting louder, a sound you never heard before. Gonna come to your town, gonna find your corner, and we'll soon be knocking on your door. Gonna come to your town, gonna
you stay? Won't you stay? Won't you stay? Won't you stay? Won't you stay? Going back to my old hometown, picking up the years I leave behind. Getting in my car, I drive as memories fly by. Driving by the fields I used to run through, where you were chasing me. We were riding out under the bleachers when no one could see. Oh, sweet memories of a town I loved, but oh, changed when you left. I keep on asking myself in my mind, were you the one that got away? Moved a few times but ended up in Nashville. Tried to settle my restless soul. Got a job that felt like forever when I met you. You made me happy, we danced through the night. Life was music and I was your wife. Time flies and the years went by, still I tried. Oh, sweet memories of a town I loved, but oh, changed when you left. I keep on asking myself in my mind, were you the one that got away? Went for the dream, but I got lost. This house I leave is nothing like us. Chased happiness, ended up on a one-way street. We're leading nowhere, that's why I leave. Past the creek where we used to swim, jump the fence before the summer begins, and getting cool in the summer heat with you, my sweet. Sitting in the back of your car, wishing for this road to take us far. Now I've been away too long, I'm going home. Oh, sweet memories of a town I love, but oh, changed when you left. I keep on asking myself in my mind, were you the one that got away? Sweet memories of a town I love, but oh, changed when you left. I keep on asking myself in my mind, were you the one? Were you the one? Always on my mind. Were you the one? Always there. Were you the one that got away?
Wait for the wind, wait for the night. Stand here a while, take a little time. heart. Silence is everywhere, and you're not.